Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Taurus. Okay, welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Okay, so today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong Tagalog love reading for Valentine's Day. So, this is a V-Day special reading. So, tingnan natin ano bang kaganapan sa inyong lahat ng mga Taurus na nakasubaybay. Okay, so habang binabalasa ko to, sana mag-resonate itong reading. And if hindi, huwag niyo pong pilitin. It only means na itong love reading na to ay hindi para sa inyo kasi collective reading na ito. So it may or may not resonate. So kung gusto niyo ng personal reading, message niyo lang ako sa email address sa baba, sa description box. Okay, and please support my channel. Kung gusto niyo po ng mga ganitong love reading, help my channel grow by subscribing, syempre, by liking this video, sharing it sa mga Taurus na nangailangan ng guidance, at comment lang kayo sa baba kung mag-resonate. Okay, sige. What's the overall energy for this reading? Second card. Love! Oh, di ba? Perfect! Saktong-sakto sa araw ng mga puso. So, need I say more? Okay, so yung energy ng card na to ay love. Punong-puno ng pag-ibig. Pero tignan natin, ano bang detalye? Ano ba ang reading na makukuha mo or anything na masasagot natin using this tarot deck na related sa pag-ibig. Diba? So, well, at least, diba, overall energy is love. So, full of love. Regardless kung may mga issues or wala, diba? Pero let's see, sana wala. Okay. Knight of Swords, second card. Two of Wands. Sunod natin. Let's give space for clarification. Ten of Swords. Ooh. Page of Swords. Nine of Coins. Five of Swords. The Star. Seven of Swords. Okay. Alright. See you. So, ayan. So, there's a very strong energy of Aquarius sa reading na to. So, pwedeng yung person nyo ay isang Aquarius, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy sa reading na ito. Okay, nagsimula siya sa Nine of Swords, nag-end siya sa Seven of Swords. Okay. Sige. So, sabi natin, puno-puno ng love, diba? However, there are some challenges for love to really manifest in this connection. So, yung person mo, so Knight of Swords, okay. So, si Knight of Swords is a very impulsive person. Okay, so yung person mo pwedeng very, alam mo yun, ginagawa niya yung mga bagay-bagay ng walang pag-iisip. So, I think it's a challenge for you, lalo na kung ikaw yung person na, teka, hinay-hinay lang, pag-isipan mo na, tayo magbasta-basta. For example, sa date, ganyan, parang, tara, punta tayo sa ganito, ganyan, tapos parang, walang kaplano-plano. Parang biglaan, sponty masyado. Which is sometimes it's a nice and it's a fun energy. Pero, di ba, syempre, if you're planning things like, kunwari, when it comes to dating, sa Valentine's Day na, ganito, gusto mo planado yung araw mo, pero very sponty nga si person, di ba? Minsan baka biglang nararattle ka or Diba, nabibigla ka masyado. So, sometimes, yung mga surprises, diba, uh, is, is nice. Malay mo nga, uh, very, ano yun, yung sobrang nagawa lang din niya yun out of so much excitement. Okay. Um, but there's something that you really need to decide when it comes to this relationship. Why? Kasi lumabas si Ten of Swords. So, and Ten of Swords is a card of, ano yun, it's a card of pain, okay, and conflict, diba? And there's this energy of like an ending, yeah. So I think something has to really end in this connection for it to, I think this behavior nga na you're not, parang hindi mo na siya ini-enjoy masyado yung pagiging sponty or yung masyadong impulsive behavior ng partner mo. So, there's a decision to be made kasi it's causing a lot of parang stress na. And there's some sort of ending that parang it has to end or else, di ba? Parang hindi magkakaroon ng parang new phase pagdating sa relationship ninyo. Kasi here, as shown by the Nine of Coins, okay, so si Nine of Coins kasi is a card of security and freedom. So, and yun, lumabas na naman si Five of Swords. So, si Five of Swords is, alam mo yun, for me, Five of Swords is a card of ego. Alam mo yun, yung ayaw magpatalo. Parang dapat laging tama. And also, it's a card of red flags. So, may mga nakikita ka ng red flag dun sa person mo that, and you want to be free from it. Okay? So, you want to be free from it, from those red flags na nakikita mo na sa person. It really has to end. And that's what you really hope for and you're really manifesting. And after this, after all this ending, there would be some healing na mangyayari sa'yo, and you'll be free from whatever like deception na nagaganap sa relationship na to. Okay? So you have to be careful na mamanipulate ka nung situation. Okay? So, but let's clarify. Ano ba yung ano yung decision na kailangan mo gawin sa relationship na to na magkukos ng isang ending? Okay? Kasi, yeah. And I can sense here that the love ngayon na overall energy is love for yourself. Love yourself. If you love yourself, nahulog siya. Dami. So, if you really love yourself, diba, hindi mo kakayaan na magstay ka sa isang relationship na puro red flags. Okay? Or hindi ka magstay sa isang tao in a relationship with someone na puro red flags. Okay? Sige, clarify natin ano ba tong decision that needs to be made. The purpose ending. Okay. Oh. Page of Swords na naman. Okay. So, yeah, yung decision na kailangan mong gawin leans toward to starting uh, a new beginning, starting fresh, diba? So, and ano yung magkakos kaya nung ano yung hinuhope mo rin na, ano yung nagkakos nitong Five of Swords, which is yung what's the conflict? Ano ba yung mga red flags? Ano yung overall energy ng red flags na yun? Okay, Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. So, Nine of Wands is so okay, something happened to this person in the past na parang kaya niya masyadong mag-seryoso. Kasi I can sense na nang nag-seryoso siya, nasaktan siya. Okay. Kaya parang ngayon na puro parang happy-happy lang. Gusto niya na happy-happy lang, na hindi siya masyadong committed, and you see it as a red flag towards this person, and you're hoping na ma-resolve na yun. But let's see, last, ano yung deception dito sa end that you really have to see. Okay. Oh, Four of Wands. Okay. So, Four of Wands. So, yun nga, yung parang parang tinatry niya i-project or ipakita sa'yo is na gusto niya mag-commit, gusto niya mag-move on to the next level, pero sa totoo hindi. Okay, so again, it's time to love yourself. I think that's the energy here of love, is full of love. Yeah, full of love, because pag buong buo yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, okay, hindi mo hahayaan na magstay ka sa isang sitwasyon na, alam mo yun, kalulungkot mo. Okay? And an ending has to be made, but this ending is for your own sake. And yeah, because you're really hoping for a new relationship. And also this ending is, if this ending of yung hanggang dun lang, di ba? If the person has to change, or it's ending of an old or unwanted behavior, you will move forward to something better sa inyong relationship. And ito, it will proceed to the next level. Pero kung hindi talaga, hindi mo nakikita yung change na yun, it's really time to reflect and pag-isipan mo, mahal mo ba talaga yung sarili mo? If yes, then you have a choice to make. Alright, so sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. It may be not what we really expected and hoped for, pero well, it's what the cards have shown me. So ininterpret ko lang. Okay? Alright, so kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading. And maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. Muli, ako si Mystica Moreno, at abangan ninyo ang susunod pang love reading. Dito lang, mismo. Ingat!